Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the detailed review of the Adventurer's Typewriter-Style Retro Mechanical Keyboard, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This keyboard is a unique blend of vintage aesthetics and modern technology, designed to appeal to both typists and gamers alike. The Adventurer's keyboard draws inspiration from the classic 1940s typewriter, featuring a wood-colored panel and round keycaps that give it a charming retro look. It houses 83 mechanical keys with blue switches, known for their satisfying tactile click and excellent input response. This makes typing a pleasurable experience, especially for those who enjoy the sound and feel of traditional mechanical keyboards. Ergonomically, the keyboard is thoughtfully designed to reduce fatigue even during extended use. The round keycaps and blue axis switches provide comfort and precision, making it suitable for office work, gaming, or casual typing. The anti-collision key layout supports simultaneous key presses, which is a big plus for gamers who require fast and accurate inputs. Connectivity is seamless with Bluetooth 5.0, allowing you to pair up to 3 devices simultaneously. This makes switching between your phone, tablet, and computer effortless. Moreover, the keyboard boasts wide compatibility with iOS, Android, Windows, including Vista, Linux, and Mac systems, making it a versatile choice for virtually any setup. One of the standout features is the white LED backlight, which enhances usability in low-light environments by clearly illuminating the key positions. The laser-engraved keycaps are durable and resistant to fading, ensuring the keyboard maintains its aesthetic appeal over time. In terms of size, the keyboard measures 12.8 by 6.6 by 1.6 inches, striking a balance between a compact design and comfortable key spacing. Pros: unique retro typewriter design with a wood-colored panel that adds style to any desk. Tactile and responsive blue mechanical switches ideal for typing and gaming. Ergonomic design reduces fatigue during long typing sessions. Bluetooth 5.0 supports up to 3 device connections simultaneously. Wide OS compatibility including iOS, Android, Windows, Linux, and Mac. White LED backlighting improves visibility in dark settings. Durable laser-engraved keycaps resistant to fading. Cons: blue switches can be noisy, which might not be ideal for quiet environments. No dedicated numeric keypad, which could be a downside for users needing extensive number input. Limited color backlight options. Only white LED. Overall, the Adventurer's Typewriter-Style Retro Mechanical Keyboard is an excellent choice for users who appreciate a nostalgic design combined with modern functionality. Whether you're working, gaming, or simply want a stylish keyboard that stands out, this model delivers on both performance and aesthetics. Don't forget, the link to purchase this keyboard at a discount is pinned in the first comment for your convenience. Check it out to grab this unique keyboard at a great price.